Alright, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. And Aston Villa has officially announced the signing of Leon Bailey's new contract. Big news for Bailey, big news for Phoenix Academy, big news for Jamaica, big news for the Aston Villa and their supporters. Big up on yourself, people. Please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. And if you like content like this, really appreciate it if you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button and join the family. Let me plug in my phone. Okay, now let's get straight to the meat of the matter. Let's handle what the situation is at hand at this present moment. Now, first of all, let's understand what's happening here. Now, this has been announced for some time now. For some time now, it has been announced, and it's definitely something that I believe that we all know what's going to happen. We all saw it coming, but nevertheless, it's up on us now. Not much details has been given in the announcement, but we just want to read through what Aston Villa is saying. Bailey signs new contract. So this is what they said. Aston Villa is pleased to announce that Leon Bailey has signed a new contract with the club. Now remember that we were saying, is it a updated contract or renewal? But apparently it's a new contract. So you know, when you say new, salary change, basically terms of the agreement change. Quite a few things would have changed in the contract. Anyways, the winger joined Villa in the summer of 2021 and has gone on to make 87 appearances in claret and blue, scoring 16 goals. No, 87 appearances, wild. That is a lot. I know quite a lot of it. I think it would have been, it's coming off the bench, a few minutes, 1 minute here, 2 minutes there. So you can factor in that. A Jamaican international, he has netted 10 times in all competitions so far this term, registering 9 assists. So that's 9 goal contribution. So they said, according to the first sentence, scored 16 goals this season. 10 of those would have been registered this season. Interesting. 9 assists. So basically, this season alone, he has surpassed any other season he has played at Aston Villa. Anyways, he has been there long enough. I think like 2021, 2022, 2023, no, in 2024. I think that's relatively good. Good feedback. Even though the appearances, the A7 appearances might kind of shake up some brains, but don't think too deep about it. I do think that, remember that the injury issues, just like you see some games, he's playing some games like 30 minutes looking excellent, boom, injury, and he's off. Just like that. But luckily, he's now consistent and putting in those regular performances. Bailey started his journey in football with KRC Genk in Belgium before joining Bayer Leverkusen. Alright, so they don't give us a lot of details on this one. Certainly, I would understand that. Still, maybe they don't really want to, how should I say, highlight some of the terms of the contract. So, maybe that's the case. Anyways, my nose are itch. Anyways, at the end of the day, we're happy that it's happening. We're happy that it's finally official, finally completed, and it's a good look. Big up yourself, Leon Bailey. Big up Aston Villa for the contract. Big up Unai Emery. Unai Emery believes in Leon Bailey, and as I think I played something a few nights back. I don't have the live stream. Emery speaking about Leon Bailey is demands for Leon Bailey, and apparently Leon Bailey is meeting those demands at this moment, and it's hitting those ticks, he's ticking those boxes in the objective box, and certainly he's getting a contract, a new contract based off that. So big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, big up every time, and see you guys again. Until next time, we're out. God bless. Boom.